poster and amazing colorful DP poster for free. Then open photo editor app. Then make this step editing. Then input photo, apply all poster for free. Video, easy video, watch full video, like video, subscribe video.